Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to reset your PayPal password with email. So first is you have to open your web browser, so you can open any web browser, and then using the search bar, you just have to type out paypal.com. And then you'd be able to see this page. So just click on the first website you see, and when you open that, you'd be directed to this section where it says you can log in or sign up. So just click on the logged in button at the top right hand corner of your screen. And you will be able to see this section. So right here, you just have to type out your email and then just click on the next button. And then right here, you just have to click on the forgot password. And then again, you just have to type out your email and then click on next. And here, make sure you select the get an email. And then when it's done, you just have to click on next. So you just have to check your email and then copy the code and you have to paste it here. Now you just have to click on submit. And when it's done, you can now click on the create password and create your new password since you forgot your last password. So just click on this section and then type out your new password. And right here at the bottom, you just have to re-enter the password. And when it's done, you just have to click on save. And once the process is complete and all of the details are correct, then the new password was created and you'd be able to log in to your PayPal account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.